Hello friends, this is Reza. My YouTube channel is Reza Blade, and this year Beautometry's Therese and I have teamed up to show everybody every day of the unboxing of the Countdown to Halloween Advent box, whatever, a fun box of awesome things. And if you have been watching this during this time, you'll know that today, while Halloween, we don't have a gift, but we do have a giveaway. So I will pick the numbers toward the end of the video, but just to remind everybody that this Shrek plate, number 6, part of the new Shrek collection of Moyu London plates that Beautometry has now on their website. Very cute plate. It's based on the dragon. You've got some really useful dragon scale images here. If you don't have one, it's always a nice option to have for stamping for various reasons. Anyway, but so we did only have 3 entrants though, so I wish we had had more entrants, but I have another giveaway soon that will take from a larger pool, I think. But anyway, so what I'm going to talk about today, I did tell you I would have a demo for you. What I'm talking about today is using reverse stamping to color block your nails with your design. So here is an example of, don't pay attention to that top up here, but this reverse stamp, this is a spider web from Bee Loves Plates Halloween plate. Bee Loves Plates is the new brand that Beautometry is carrying. They're based in Poland, I believe. Gorgeous plates, gorgeous polishes. They stamp well over black, which you know is a real mark of distinction for a stamping brand. And to kind of show you how it's all done, well, quick, let me show you that 62, Moyu London 62 is back in stock. And I had been trying to get this for about a year and 9 months, 2 years. Really, really rare plate. Very good, whatever. You know what I'm trying to tell you. Grab it while you can is what I'm trying to tell you. Anyway, so for the demo, I have taken a pre-reverse stamped. So I painted that in with various kinds of colors and things. And that was from Halloween collection number 6. It's like a kind of a Victorian feel. Really great plate. I love it very much. You'll notice I've used a couple of these images in some of my other Instagram manis. So maybe you'll want to hop over there and check those out at Reza_Blade. Anyway, that's my IG. And what we're going to do is first I'm going to show you this way to do it, and then I'm gonna, well, why don't I just do 2 stages? So first thing I'm gonna do is take probably, okay, here, Sew Your Own Way. This is a new hit the bottle plate, really a lot of fun, and there's some obvious opportunities for color blocking here. So the zipper, of course, you would want to color block, use your reverse stamping for that. And then I'm going to go ahead and try the scissors. So first thing I'm going to do is grab some black stamping polish and a scraper. Some of this won't be visible, so I'm going to move that. And I'm going to take the blue Morpho stamper, which was part of this this year's Countdown to Halloween box. I don't remember which day I opened it on, but I did open it on a day. So I have some extra images here. People on my YouTube channel are always asking for demos, so I really hope you like this. My vinyl gloves are because I have a bad burn on my left hand. You're all probably used to hearing me tell you about that, but it's not healing very well. So do think of me in the daily thoughts you have that go out to various people. Anyway, so what I do with my reverse stamping is first, before touching it with anything, I put on a clear coat. Sometimes I do 2 coats, sometimes I do 3 if I'm going to want to pull it off the stamper before I apply it, but normally I just use 2. And then for the color in part, we'll use the prepared item I have, because I have a prepared swatch to show you how I do it. So first thing I'm going to do is grab the contrast color that I chose. This is Berry Holidays, sorry. It's a darker red, so I'm going to get a good contrast. This is a really easy French tip. So you see, I can even use the entire brush. I don't have to use a special brush to do that. And if you look from underneath, normally I do 2 coats of that before I put it on my nail. But you can see how fun that is turning out. And then I just stamp here. And then I top coat it. Now, sometimes when you're reverse stamping, you have these little bits of clear polish sticking up on the nail. The brush I got yesterday, this beautiful wand brush, like it's real wand. This is so cool. I think I'm going to cast a few spells on my nieces and nephews. Anyway, it's just for fun. But you can use some acetone to kind of, with your brush, to kind of pat down those clear bits and meld them. Not too much acetone, remember, and meld them with the actual nail that you're working on. So lots of fun there. I'm going to do one more coat so that you can see how, even if it's a little bit sheer, this is a red nail, so it'll be fine when it goes down. So another idea, of course, is the spider web that I put away. And I just use the line itself on, to make my contrast, or color blocking is really what it's called. So probably that's about it. Today is the last day to sign up for the My Mani box for fall foliage. It is the 4th anniversary My Mani box from Beautometry, so there will be a special gift for subscribers in there. So don't miss out on that. Today is the last day, the 31st of October, or Halloween, which is my favorite day each year. Anyway, we have a giveaway to do. So don't forget, I do have a video coming out today, stamping showdown for Sweet and Scary. There is, I'm going to mix these up. I don't know what's in what. And let's see what this is. Drum roll, please. Number one is Jennifer, I think. I'm gonna have to double check, but I think Jennifer, I think you won that giveaway. If it were more than 3 entrants, I don't think I would know them by heart. But anyway, thank you so much for doing these with me. If you haven't caught the previous videos, do check on my YouTube. I'm hoping to get the other 2 videos from the last couple days uploaded today. And again, definitely on my YouTube channel, like, comment, subscribe, and check out that Sweet and Scary. I just couldn't stop creating. There are a million swatches for design inspiration on those. And you can tell me which one you like better. I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for joining me. This has been so much fun. Let's do it again sometime.